All right, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? So I am smiling because sometimes when I look at what is going on in that part of the world called Nigeria, especially things that has to do with our people, Igbo people, Biafra people, sometimes I don't have a, I can't help myself than to laugh just to laugh it off, just to laugh because remember the video of one mother of bandit, the woman I tried to call mother of bandit. That Fulani lady that her video have been trending. In car speed, they may editing. Not add speed in the voice. And they go, I don't want to bring her video here because it is going to be a distraction. I don't want to end up talking about her more than the video itself. So you know the video, you know the woman who claimed that who asked people, what are you guys, what are you offering us? What is your contribution in Nigeria? You remember the woman, right? Now, I remember what she said, then I connected it with what Oduduwa guy said. There's some people in Yoruba land that are busy, just like I don't know if Tinubu team recruited them or I don't know, but they are backing Tinubu up and saying a lot of things, even things that don't need to back up, like issue of American warning Nigerian government to step up and tackle genocide going on in Nigeria. That is, they cannot just fold hand anymore watching them while genocide is being carried out against Christian communities. And some Yorubas who happen to be Christians are actually, attacking Americans and trying to make it look like that statement is about Tinubu, which is funny because all these things did not start from him, right? Now, I want to go to the video straight without wasting much of time. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. I want to read from you. Your comments is very important. That's a way to know how you feel about what we do, and your opinion matters a lot. Please don't be silent. Let us know your feeling about what we are talking about, and make sure you like the video and share it on any platform of your choice. So we are gonna go straight to the program if you don't mind. Now we have this video here. All right, this guy here is somebody who is running propaganda in favor of his brother, the current government president of Nigeria, which he's not well informed, I believe, but he wants to add his voice. I understand because I maybe love this tribalism and bigotry. You can't hide it from the people from Southwest. It is very, very, it is rooted deep in them. To be honest with you, no matter whether educated or non-educated, it is part of them. Now, I am not here. I don't want you to look like it's about all of them, please. But this section of people that are some of them that are very, very eager to do anything as long as it's going to promote themselves and all that, and themselves and all that. So this is a tweet. This is a Twitter handle of this guy. He said, "Come see military hardware Nigerian government is building under this government." Yeah, but 1 year working in another. Nigeria will be a superpower. That's almost world power in the future. Tinubu 4+4 equals to 8. That's Tinubu, meaning that 8 years, 4 years, and another 4 years. Now, all he cares is everything that this guy just care about is that 4 years. Okay, this very guy you are seeing here, there's nothing in his mind than that 4 years. That's why he don't mind to tell you. He can tell you that America that don't mean good for Nigeria. No, they actually want. Oh, they're attacking Tribuna because Tribuna is doing well. Sometimes when I watch this guy video, I don't have any other choice than to laugh. Now, make sure you like the video, please, and subscribe to the channel. We are gonna play his video now, so pay attention to what he said. And I don't want to interrupt, but pay attention, please. Very, very important. Listen.
Come and see military hardware wey government dey build under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Nothing where America and China dey build wey Nigeria no fit build am with Ajaokuta steel company. Make na come see Nigeria dey build road, helicopter, weapon, gun, bullet, everything for Ajaokuta steel company. Make una come watch o. Ajaokuta steel company na the largest iron company in the whole of Africa. Make una watch this video and share. Now God give us Tinubu, no be human being. Tinubu na wali sent by God to come and save us in terms of security and everything. People now watch this video and share.
The Nigerian government has partnered with the Ministry of Steel Development and the Ajaokuta Steel Company to ensure that local steel production support defense manufacturing. This collaboration aims to supply raw materials for the production of military hardware and signals Nigeria's intent to integrate its industrial and defense policies. The government also plans to begin exporting locally made military hardware, a move that could turn Nigeria into a regional supplier of defense technology in West Africa. All these efforts are unfolding against a backdrop of political pressure and global scrutiny. Donald Trump's remarks about potential intervention in Nigeria have highlighted the importance of national sovereignty, and in response, Nigeria's emphasis on developing indigenous capability demonstrates both resilience and foresight. A strong local defense industry not only protects the nation from foreign interference but also provides jobs, technical skills, and innovation within the economy. In the face of all this, Nigeria's strategy is clear and pragmatic: build at home where possible and buy abroad when necessary. This balance of approach ensures immediate readiness while laying the foundation for future independence, from the Ezugwu MRAP to the Saibili drone, from local bomb production to advanced jet acquisition. Nigeria is redefining its military strength in a world where foreign threat and political pressures continue to grow. Nigeria's determination to defend itself through innovation, self-reliance, and strategic partnership is both timely and commendable. Remarks by US President Donald Trump about possible intervention in Nigeria's affairs have reignited conversations about self-reliance and national defense. Against this backdrop, Nigeria is rapidly strengthening its defense capabilities through a dual approach: building locally and acquiring advanced systems from global.
Sorry, man.
At the heart of this effort is the Defense Industries Corporation of Nigeria, DICON, established decades ago but now reinvigorated. DICON has become the counterpiece of Nigeria's dream to manufacture its own military equipment. The corporation now produces small arms, ammunition, bombs, and artillery shells, drastically cutting down dependence on foreign suppliers. Local manufacturing of vehicles has also advanced with the creation of the Ezugwu mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle, an indigenous armored truck built to protect soldiers from roadside bombs and ambushes. This locally designed vehicle, now deployed in combat zones, demonstrates Nigeria's growing engineering capacity.
Now, pay attention to this name, Ezugwu man. Okay, this is the reason why what you have in the title says Biafrans, the Biafran man, right? That the Biafran man that builds something in Nigeria. No, that's why I put the title. I'm gonna put it. I just want you to pay attention to the name then, but it has to do with the Biafran man. And why I'm saying this is because I want you to remember this name: Ezugwu MARP. This is the reason why we have that title that we have, and the person behind it. Then you now connect it with what Fulani woman say that Igbos, what are your contribution in the society? We're coming there. Apart because all these people they know the truth. This envy and church that is going on sometimes, not sometimes, always against Igbo people, against Igbo tribe. You get why? Oh, yeah, but pay attention.
An understanding of its unique operational environment, Nigeria's defense growth does not stop with vehicles and ammunition. The country's air power is also undergoing transformation. The Nigerian Air Force has successfully developed and deployed the Saigumi unmanned aerial vehicle, a locally designed drone built in partnership between the Air Force Institute of Technology and Portuguese firm UA Vision. The drone plays a crucial role in surveillance and intelligence mission, providing real-time data.
The drone that he's talked about also, the people behind it, the brain behind it is Igbo man.
During counter-insurgency operations. By relying on drones like the Saibumi, Nigeria can gather information sufficiently without.
You know it is funny. I'm laughing because I hope you yourself are watching the video. I know you have you already know what I'm about to say. Because since the beginning of this video, you saw how sophisticated weapon, how they are launching missile, the equipment that is this video. You can only see that in Israel, Russia, that kind of thing. But this guy, some people they just downloaded this video and put it there. Look at this plane here now. It's belong to Nigeria, and Nigeria built it. This is one they have created, isn't it? People can lie for fun. I'm sure.
Pilot to unnecessary risk. Another major milestone in Nigeria's defense advancement is the construction of its first indigenous helicopter, developed by Naseni in collaboration with AFIT. The helicopter project, which is nearing certification, aims to train Nigerian engineers in aircraft production, maintenance, and assembly. It is a bold step towards future self-sufficiency in aircraft manufacturing, laying the foundation for more ambitious projects such as home-built fighter jets. Meanwhile, Nigeria is not isolating itself from the global defense community.
You know, one thing, no matter how you want to look at it, one thing you cannot take away from Yoruba people is they are very, very good in, cutting and joining news so that it will look like they are doing something. A country that have not manufactured motorbike of their own, not assembling. They have not manufactured bicycle from just grassroots. They don't have companies that do that, and they have not manufactured car, but they are here hyping how they're manufacturing, sophisticated weapon for war and aircraft and fighter jets, private, helicopter and what have you. Liars. Now, the people that are behind this editing, what they put here, this one is real. You see this one now because you can see it's just steel company, okay, like rod company and the iron company and all that. That's all. Not that they are manufacturing something very, very, unique that the world will look at and say, "Wow." No, but seeing them, putting this rocket launcher and some missile armor tank and all that is laughable. The man that built something that the armor tank, we are going to talk about him here on this video. But the reason why these people are cutting this video, if you do more research, like I've done a little research on this video, you find out that most look at this jet. Is this jet does it belong to Nigeria? The answer is no. Like they are the one that manufactured it. It's not true. It could be American this thing or Israel, Russia, something like that. But they just download the video and they keep on. Okay, let me show you the other one. You see another one now. Don't worry, you see another one like this one now. Belong to Nigeria, isn't it? You guys see what? Wait, let me drag it a little bit because everything is to on attempt to elevate to look at this. So this thing is Nigerian manufactured this missile launcher. So they just manufactured it. Look at. It's not possible. Look at this one now. Do you know what it is? Do you know what is this? This is the man himself. This is Igbo man. Now we are going to talk about Igbo. This man. The man named the man. Well, let me get to that vehicle. The man is named after the vehicle that he invented. And when you go to the way they write up, they write about it. Some of the platforms that belong to Nigeria, they actually claim that it's Nigerian military, innovative, whatever. But people can say anything they want. Now, here is the vehicle. This vehicle you are seeing here is designed and built by this man. He's the army general in Nigerian army. All right. We are going to go through, through his write-up. He's from Enugu State, from Nsukka. According to my findings, we are going to see everything together. Now, the man built that. Look at it. This armor tank, locally made. He designed it, okay, and they built it. And this armor tank is somehow unique in terms of this ambush, normally people lay ambush to this kind of armor tank and to destroy it and launch some missile against it and other. So it from the look of the things, they say that this armor tank can resist that kind of attack. So soldiers that are using it may not end up, in the hands of people that want to send them to Chukwuka, something like that. But we are going to go through it. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. Now, let me quickly bring you the other updates. So when you come here, what you are seeing now is one of the the vehicle. Ezugwu, MRAP, meaning that mine, M stand for mine, R stand for resistance, and ambush is for A, protected. So Ezugwu map is a Nigerian-made mine resistance and ambush protected vehicle. Map designed by Nigerian defense industry, which is a way of writing the man off. They have to include it as a national effort. Listen, because that's what they do. But if the man committed a crime, one Igbo man said, he said, defense in the industry of Nigerian DICO, that's a deacon, and the command engineering depot CED. Now, here it said named after Major General Victor Ezugwu. So the Ezugwu map is designed to replace obsolete combat vehicles in Nigerian Army inventory. History. First unveiled in September 2019. But the guy is presenting it to you that Tinubu made that vehicle, made it now. That is a way of Tinubu's, showing a way of bringing Tinubu's good governance to the limelight. You understand? But it's not true. This vehicle was actually unveiled in September 2019. Earlier version featured a doubled enclosed turret that can traverse 360 degrees, allowing for vaster weapon deployment, including 12.7 mm machine gun. The first match of 28 Ezugwu was ordered in November 2019, and a follow-up purchase of 52 units was made by Nigerian Army on January 2021. So this is not, we have to do with the Tinubu, but this guy is telling you that under Tinubu, everything was, they manufacturing everything, they designed everything. Now, when you do another little research on this, you will see that here, the biography of the man, the brain behind this machine, this armor tank that they invented, is Victor Ezugwu, was born in Nigeria, was born in Nigeria to Protestant family, and he became a brigadier general of Nigerian army during the insurgents in Nigeria, that's Boko Haram, fighting against the Islamist Boko Haram insurgents group. Okay, look at the man here. Now, when you come to Facebook, that name, this is Nigerian military gallery photo. It says, because remember they presented the whole thing as if the Nigerian Army Institute, use their brain like effort. No, just to take the glory from this, take the glory away from this man, because the animal man said, meet Major General Victor Ezugwu from Nsukka, the man who built military vehicles capable of resisting landmines. He is nicknamed Rambo. He pioneered Nigerian first indigenous MRAP vehicle driven by patriotism and battlefield experience, because the demand is very, very strong according to the write-up. He's a brave soldier. This man you are seeing here, Brigadier General. And Nsukka people, in case if you don't know, I was told that they produce a lot of one-man squad. If you know what one-man squad means, then there's no need to tell you more about it. But if you know, you know. So that is what I can see here. And look at the man here. This is the man here. You are seeing him here now. This is the man himself. Named the vehicle after his name. Now, in July 2025, okay, Punch newspaper reported this and says, I was nicknamed Rambo for my bravery in battle. Okay, armored vehicle inventor armored vehicle inventor, Major General Victor Ezugwu. So they did not hide it. He's the one that invented it. But when you listen to some of these people talking about him now, they will tell you that it seems like for example, if you come here now, read what they said here, you understand what I'm trying to say. Where is it now? Here it said Ezugwu MRAP is a Nigerian-made mine-resistant and ambush protector, okay, vehicle, MRAP, designed by Nigerian defense industry. In our time, so they just write off the man's name simply because of what? Your guess is as good as mine. This is one of the sample of the vehicle, okay? The vehicle that the man built. Look at it here. This is one of the sample. And this vehicle, like they said, can resist some dangerous weapon. May not sink this, destroy it like we have seen sometimes how Boko Haram, those insurgents, normally send, destroy the armor tank and what have you, and sink it. But this one they call them it's not like that. The government started ordering it. Yes, the man cannot build it alone, maybe, but the brain behind it is the one. That's why Punch is telling you here. Did not hide it and tell you what it is. He says, I was nicknamed Rambo for my bravery in battle. Armor tank vehicle inventor, Major General Victor Ezugwu. Okay? And his picture is here. Why I'm sharing why I'm sharing this is not because to brag or anything, but to remind us the truth that sometimes when you hear them talking about Igbo people this, they are saying that out of envy. That is gospel truth. Whether you like it or not, that's what it is. Whether you like it or not, that's what it is. And they know. You don't need to argue about it. But if you want to argue, no problem. You can argue. All I care. My own is to tell you the truth. So tell me what you think about what I've discussed with you just now. What do you think about it? Do you agree or disagree? Let me hear you. Let me know your own take on comment section. God bless you and have a wonderful day. See you again. Bye bye for now.